Hi, this is Dr. Duncan McCollum and Dr. McLeod. We are so interested in helping you figure out how to keep your adjustments and keep your low back as strong as possible. So we thought we'd go over a couple low back exercises.
Yeah, we want to keep the spine has 3 different curves. Today we're going to focus on the lower curve, the lumbar spine, making sure that you're getting motion and movement there. So we're going to go over some really basic ones. So if you're in pain, these are really good ones. They're safe. So the first one we want to just go through is just getting on your hands and knees. Get your hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. And then you're gonna really grip the floor and almost, your hands go like that to screw your shoulders in. Once you're here, we're gonna do a breathing exercise. And you're gonna breathe all the air out. And as you do that, you're gonna bring your belly button to your spine, rounding the spine. And then you're gonna slowly inhale, going into the extension part of the cow. So it's a little cat-cow. So you're really focusing on this area. But then as you're doing it, you're pushing into the knees, into the hands, feeling that stretch, and then going back down. Once you've done 3 to 10 of these, then you're gonna find that neutral spine, and then you're gonna go into what's called bird dog. So let me scoot out a little further. You're gonna screw your hands in, and then you're gonna extend out opposite. Now you're trying to stay balanced. If you're wobbly, this is gonna show some instability in the multifidi rotator muscles. Holding this for about 10 seconds, then slowly coming back, going into the other side. Holding for 10 seconds, seeing how if you're wobbling, this is gonna be really good. And then coming back. Doing three times to each side. And then from here, just a little rock back. So now we're just kind of going back, bringing our hips all the way to our heels and getting this flexion as we go all the way back. And then we're getting the lat. So you can go all the way into child's pose, trying to get your ribs onto your thighs, forehead all the way to the ground. Then from here, you can go over to the side and get a little lateral movement. So we're working on all different planes of motion, warming up the back. So these are just great, safe 3 exercises for the low back, especially when it's in pain. Go slow, listen to your body, and just breathe into your limitation and stay where it's comfortable. But just get that motion, get the movement, get blood flow going.
And as with anything, if anything is causing pain, stop doing it and then come talk to one of us about that. So that's a really good exercise. What do you say, once or twice a day?
Definitely twice a day. Start the morning. We prime the spine in the morning, and then at the night we unwind the spine. So
that's awesome. All right, thanks.